This is City the Beatmaster back again for another finger drumming tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about drum sounds. So, what are drum sounds? Well, just that. Physical drums recorded for use inside of music production software and DAWs. Today, I want to expand on the idea or principles between selecting your drum sounds for different music production situations. As you know, it is very important in picking what drum sounds for use in music production versus finger drumming. Today, we're working inside of one of our finger drumming kits. I would like to go over and demonstrate some of the drum sounds we provide in the Master's finger drumming kit. We will be showing a difference between two of our finger drumming kits, both of which occupy a different drum sound. This first kit is from the Master's finger drumming kit. It is called J444. It is from a video that has released on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/citythebeatmaster. The J444 kit is resemblance of that 80s drummer sound. You know, that big, wide open sound followed by that iconic reverb. Here's a demonstration. This particular type of drum sound definitely works for any live situation where you want to get that realistic drummer's sound or feel. And let's be honest, you can pretty much convince anyone in another room that you just brought in a full drum set rather than a backpack-size MPC. So now let's go over the different drum sounds and head over to another one of our finger drumming kits. This sound is more compressed. This drum kit is definitely one to be used with a lot of beats that involve a lot of chopping of samples. So let's go ahead and show you what this kit sounds like. Now that was a demonstration of our fire kit. Be sure to look out for a new YouTube video releasing at youtube.com/citythebeatmaster demonstrating this kit in action. So that's it today for drum sounds. We've explored two different finger drumming kits that both offer a totally different drum sound. One being for a live drummer's performance feel, the other being for a studio performance or a sampled and chopped beat feel. We will definitely be adding more finger drumming kits that will expand on the types of drums you should be using for finger drumming. But it's always good to be creative. This is something that you definitely want to experiment with and see what works for your setup best. So whether it's a spacey kick drum followed by a snare, or a very clean, sharp kit to cut through your most prized samples, you want to be creative as possible and enjoy your finger drumming. Be sure to check out citythebeatmaster.com for beats, memberships, finger drumming kits, and services. Also, head over to gumroad.com/citythebeatmaster as we're offering a finger drumming course of finger drummers and music production topics. If you want to dive deeper into some of these topics that we've covered in the finger drumming tutorials, you're going to want to sign up at gumroad.com/citythebeatmaster today. Join the Master's Finger Drumming course. Until next time, keep finger drumming.